Hi Gains Gurus, welcome to my kitchen where I will be demonstrating how I make delicious scrambled eggs. Let's go through the ingredients.
Eggs, obviously. I consume 3 to 5 eggs a day. On training days, I go for 4 or 5, and on non training days, I stick to 3 or 4. During the weekdays, I pack boiled eggs in my lunchbox for work, but on weekends, I treat myself to some scrumptious scrambled eggs. Butter or coconut oil, or both. I use these for the pan to make sure the eggs come out easily and to avoid the added butane found in cooking sprays. Plus, they add healthy fats to the meal. Himalayan pink salt. This salt isn't just for flavor. It contains trace minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Mined from ancient seabeds in the Himalayan mountains, it's pure and free from modern pollutants, apparently. It's also less processed than regular table salt, which often contains additives. Flavoring. I love using spices, especially garlic and herb, and the secret ingredient, barbecue Braai Spice. Cheese. To boost the protein and fat content, I add 80 grams of cheese, usually cheddar or Gouda. Why eggs? Eggs are highly nutritious, accessible, and affordable. Studies suggest they have a positive or neutral impact on health markers and are safe when eaten regularly as part of a balanced diet. In the UK, egg consumption is low, so there's room for more families to include them in their diets. Eggs are especially beneficial for groups with high nutrient needs, such as the elderly, infants, children, pregnant women, and athletes. They provide high quality protein and key micronutrients like vitamin D, iodine, folate, and choline, which are often lacking in diets. For the general population, eggs are emerging as a sustainable option for high quality animal protein. This is crucial as more people shift towards flexitarian or vegetarian diets. Eggs also help with satiety and weight management, important factors given the obesity rates in Western countries. So, to sum up, eggs are not only nutritious and healthy, but also sustainable. This information comes from a 2023 study titled Eggs Healthy or Risky? A review of evidence from high quality studies on hens' eggs. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with a number of eggs that you typically eat in one meal. Don't forget to check out the Muscle Growth Podcast, TMGP, on Apple, YouTube, and Spotify for more muscle building content. Happy cooking.